2 volunteers, please. Come on. Yeah, not so many, huh? We need something. One more. Yay! Thank you. You are brave and you deserve another applause. Come on. You are?
Elan.
Elan.
Let's say Aaron.
Aaron. Okay.
Yeah.
Judith and Aaron. They are awesome. And they're going to help our 2 actors. Dennis. Yes. And Juan. They're going to help us. They're going to help them do the next sketch. We're going to give a microphone to each already. They're going to do the sound effects. Whatever Dennis and Juan do has to have some sound. So that's what you 2 are going to do. Are you good at it?
I was just hugging her, so I didn't listen, actually.
Yeah, you lost your concentration there, didn't you? So, whatever Dennis does, you provide the soundtrack.
All right, great.
Okay?
Do I have a microphone?
Yes, I'm going to give you mine.
All right.
Okay? Yeah, why don't you try it? Here.
Thank you.
Maybe you can go to the sides
Yes.
so that you can see us.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm doing something.
That was a bit early, sort of.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. That's okay.
Ding.
Good. I'll give it right back to you. Huh? Yeah. This is going to be fun. This is going to be awesome. I can see it already. We need an extreme activity. I know you've been cooking it inside. You've been thinking. An extreme activity. Come on. Rafting. We're going to go rafting then. Yeah, and that's all we need. There you go. Have fun.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Is this the rafting training course?
Yes.
It's very windy, yeah?
I can hear it, the wind. Also the stream of the water I can hear. I think I peed on my pants. Sometime I do it.
It's okay for me. It's okay. I don't mind. As long as the trip is good, I don't mind.
Okay.
Can I take my dog to the...
It's a puppy. It's a small
It's a small dog. I mean...
Come on!
Okay, I won't take it. He likes it. It's nice.
Poor dog! I told you to bring the dog. I mean, you should have tied it.
I don't need a title. I don't have any lion.
I don't know, it came all of a sudden.
I check on the website, I go to the computer, and I type like, ding. It's very odd. And that's the thing, I got this from the website. Dog
Okay,
not tied.
do you want to do it or not?
I do, I
Okay,
do it.
safety first. So, I'm going to give you a belt.
Is it a bell or a whip?
I think I killed a duck there. What's more?
I can hear eagles.
Okay. It's a whip belt.
Let me die. I know how to do stuff. I'll tie it. I think I just...
What did you eat yesterday?
I broke my stomach. Sorry.
I mean, man, we're on water. I don't want bubbles, like.
So should we go on the boat now?
Yes.
I have my pen.
First, we have to pump the boat.
Pump
Okay,
it.
I have to pump here.
Oh, you blow it. I thought the pump was like this thing I blow.
It's like a no pew.
Then you put it and you do.
Okay.
It's a fan.
But the boat doesn't blow like this.
No?
It's going away.
Ah, go away.
Okay, let's
You
do
have
it.
another
Try
one?
it again.
Bring the other boat. Heavy boat.
It has a metal in it.
Okay. It's my stomach.
Are you okay?
I should have done it. You can try.
Maybe I will try.
That's a bit gross. I'll keep my breath.
Yeah, the food is not there.
I saw that it's inflated good enough.
Yes, okay. Did you have the belt?
I am done. Attached to my intestine.
Where is your helmet? Okay, you are going to wear this helmet like this.
Do you have a nut?
It's like in a space.
I think I brought my skull too.
That's the point.
I see blood.
That's not important. It's rafting. It's extreme sports.
So, can you give me the rowing thingy? How you call it?
Ah, rowing thingy.
I knew the title.
But you have to connect it.
Ah! You put nuts on everything.
Let's jump on board. Okay, I'm next to you.
Oh, yeah.
I will take the one. And now we go.
You first. I think we are on the sun. No, look. I cannot back. You know, I don't think this is for me.
Can you push me? Can you push me?
Wait, I'll take my duck.
Yeah, push me to the water, please.
The butter? Is the duck you have there instead of a motor? It claps.
It's a box.
Ducks are coming!
I go!
Tommy!
You were awesome. Thank you so much.